There's a famous YouTuber with over 7 million subs called Melhan. The other day he challenged himself to drink a whole Sprite without burping. It did not go well. So to prove that I'm a demigod who cannot be defeated, I'll attempt the exact same thing. Down a whole bottle of Sprite without burping.
Plan is just down the Sprite and hold the burp for 15 seconds. If I can't, I'm game. I hope the fizz hasn't gone and I hope the zero sugar doesn't make a difference because I need to prove I'm him, you know what I'm saying?
Finish your drink now, but can I hold it down?
I am him, nobody can stop me.